My name's Tim Peters from Piran Mining, based in Perth. So I'm a mining engineer, graduated from the Campbelltool mines in, I don't know, plus 25 years ago, maybe more. We're using SOT, we've been using SOT quite a bit over the last 4 or 5 years, maybe longer. Really, really beneficial for life of mine scheduling. Gives you auditable, defendable results, and we're able to sort of run a lot of different scenarios very quickly without taking up a huge amount of time. It's pretty unique, I think, because at the moment we use EPS as a standard scheduling package, but in big complex or larger, more complex ore bodies, it's always difficult to assess what is the sort of optimal schedule, and SOT actually answers that. So we found that it's not everybody necessarily wants to just simply have highest MPV. I mean, it sounds obvious, but sometimes people might want just longevity and continual supply of metal, or a nice clean production profile. But how do you achieve that in an optimal way? So SOT gives you all those abilities gives you the abilities to view different options in that regard. It's not just one solution, if you like. You can actually provide multiple solutions depending on what your desire is. We've used it in instances where initially we didn't think that it would make a lot of difference, because the project was quite highly constrained because of either geotechnical or the fact it was just quite a small project, and so there was very little room to move. So we thought, and then we just, for the heck of it, we would run it SOT on that project to see if it did do anything, and it was surprising. It actually did come up with something new, it's, counterintuitive almost in terms of the outcome. So it provided a real upside. So I think until you do it, you never really know. You can't say until you've actually done it. Unless the project is totally constrained, which is very unusual, I think it'd be hard to say that there would be no value in applying it. Yeah.